Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna's virtual card. So if you've been wondering how to use Klarna's virtual card, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to use Klarna's virtual card. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. You can log in either on the mobile app or you can log in on the website. So once you sign into your account, you just want to go to the virtual card tab, and once you're there, you can create a virtual card, and you can use this virtual card that you created for online purchases and such, and that's gonna be extremely useful to you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klarna's virtual card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.